Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors. We're here to showcase our dream single arch door behind me. Okay, so we're going to show you guys what this thing looks like. This is our single arch dream door. Remember, this door comes in a flat top, in a full arch, in a double door, and all those different top variations also. This door today is being featured with a frost glass. Different glass types are available for this door, and this is an oil rub bronze that we have different colors also available if you guys want to special order the door. Another thing with this door we do is we use a 4-inch tube on each side. So it's a 4 by 2 inch thick door and it's 4 inches wide to get you more glass in the door. And then we bump it up to 6 inches to have a surface area for a lock to be installed. Something my dad started coming up with when he first started, actually. Pretty cool feature. Definitely something that Pinky's started doing, and you know, we like it. It gives a lot of people like it actually. A lot of people want us to do this because you get a larger glass and the scroll work looks larger also. This door does not have a kick plate at the bottom, so it has a full length glass that goes all the way down. This allows for a lot of light to come in, and also a lot when it's at nighttime and there's a lot of light when there's a lot of backlight, all the scroll work kind of glows at nighttime. So a lot of people like different aspects of the door. This door definitely has a lot of scroll work, some straight bars, some decorative stuff on it, which that's how we ended up calling it a dream, I believe. I forgot what the story was, why my brother called it a dream. But I'm gonna flip this around and show you guys the back end and how the glass opens up. Okay, so we're on the back side of the door, the dream single arch door. Show you guys how to open the door. You basically twist the knobs, flick them over, glass opens up. This makes it easy to clean the glass, makes it easy to clean all the scroll work behind it, and remember, screens are definitely optional. On a special order, we can custom make the door to actually incorporate a screen into this. Really cool door, and this is what the backside surface area looks like. So you can have, this. Basically, we do this 4-inch to get a larger glass in, and then we bump it up to get a bigger area for the actual for the lock to fit in there. That took a while to figure out, by the way. Hey everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed the single dream arch door today. If you guys have any questions, please contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com. That is info@pinkysirondoors.com. Or you can contact us at 844-843-6677, and we'll get all those questions answered for you guys. Thank you guys, appreciate it.